Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to turn on the Shopify editor. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side screen, you'll be able to see all the options you can start accessing for editing your store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with saying how do you open up the editor and how do you customize your store. Basically guys, all you will want to do is just go right here under sales channels and click on online store. After clicking online store, this is now automatically going to open up this themes section where you can see we can take a look at the theme we are using and we can get started with customizing our theme. So to open up the editor, we have two options. We can either click the three dots right here and then we can go ahead and open up the edit code option. So once you click on edit code, as you can see, this is going to open up this code editor where you can get started with editing any code that you have in your store. But the more simple way is just clicking the customize button, and this is now going to open up this editor. As you can see, this is the editor we want to use where you can get started editing your header, template, footer, and so on, and adding anything you might want to use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.